Come on, Hunt. Well, Hunt, for God's sake. Get back! Murdering bastards.
Amen, brother. All right, blow it.
Yeah, give me 3 sticks.
You two better get out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the line. There's your way back to where the U.S. Army is waiting to protect you. So would you please start walking? Now!
And 4 more for me. What do we do?
About as expected.
400,000?
Well, give or take $1.
Quite a hold for you, Alec. 1/3.
Yeah, not bad for Sabbath work, huh?
When do we divvy up?
Like we said in St. Lucas.
Why not now? Then we can separate.
Hunt, you've been shaking like a tree full of owls right from the start. What the hell's the matter with you?
I've got a bad feeling.
About what?
Just bad, that's all.
Well, look, Hunt, don't worry. You'll get your cut. I think you'll see that.
It ain't him I'm worried about.
Meaning what?
Meaning the both of you shut up. Gauche, make sure everything's all right outside.
Anything you say, General.
Then I want to check out that private car.
I'm not worried about you, Link. Don't get that idea. It's Gauche.
What about him?
I don't know.
That's your split. Take it and go.
Please, Link, don't get sore.
And before you go, if I were you, I'd change my clothes. Your pants are wet. You tell it.